Hello friends, so as I promised in another video, I would do a quick instruction set on how to set up a minimal Haskell environment in the easiest way possible. And so to do that, I'm going to use nix just because, although this could be solved by simply using apt-get, my thinking here is that this solves a number of different problems. It's kind of a generic solution for thinking about package management and for configuring and all of that good stuff to do with setting up a Haskell project. So if you go here, copy this, and this is not going to work because I already have nix installed. It's going to fetch the script, the install script, and it's going to try and do it, but this is going to fail. So it's saying, oh no, I detected that you already have it, blah, 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 blah. So now, if let's see, do I have a project set up? No, I do not. So I'm going to make a directory project for my project, and then I am going to use nix to get Cabal to nix, Cabal install, and GHC. So if I cd into project, first thing I'm going to do is Cabal init. This will set up a base sort of project for me. Just going to go through all the defaults instead of actually thinking that through in the effort of keeping this as short as humanly possible. And now what do I want to do? Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my Cabal file in order to cause the issue. And so I'm going to add HTTP client. Now what I'm going to do, and this is the core command here, is I'm going to say Cabal to nix shell of this directory, and then write that to shell.nix. So if I cat shell.nix to see what I just did, I'm going to see a very simple, nix file. And so that will allow me to do this, where I say nix-shell, and that is going to bring in all of these dependencies. You only really have one, which is HTTP client. And now I can say Cabal run. Sweet. So, and that's it. If you would have seen in the last video, you would have seen that Cabal run failed because it could not find zlib, but this nix-shell command here gets us the zlib for us. And although we don't see zlib in here anyways or anywhere, it's a dependency of HTTP client. And so nix handles that thinking for us. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.